Yeah, today is 26th March, about 7 in the evening. 78 degrees inside my little building. I got up close to 80 outside today. Still getting more sprouts popping. A couple days ago I transplanted my zucchini squash. One of the transplants is looking kind of poorly. I just watered everything too. We're in a bit of a dry spell. This one that's bent over and laying ain't looking too healthy. I got plenty of seed. I need to hoe my onion patch. Kale and the collards are doing real good. The yellow tips on that one kale is from the Miracle Grow. Yellow in leaves shows too much nitrogen. It'll be too windy to walk around the building, show you the bird feeders. Had a pigeon here today. I hardly ever see pigeons here. Need to mow the grass, but might do it before we go. Might not. I don't know. The first thing the wife said, grass is getting tall. It ain't. It's just the flowers popping up fast from the weed. And there's not much going on. That's about all for this one. Thank you.